Hello everyone! Today we will learn the slip stitch. Now we have the base stitch that we created previously on my tutorial video on how to make a chain stitch. Now we will make a slip stitch. So how to make a slip stitch? First, make 20 chain stitches like this. Make 20 chain stitches like this. After that, now you can insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. So we have the top stitch and bottom stitch. This is the top, the bottom, and the third stitch. So we will insert the hook on the top stitch. Okay? Laging sa taas ipapasok ang ating hook. Now, insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. This is 1, 2. Okay? Count backward. 1, 2. Insert the hook, and then after that, yarn over, hold this, yarn over, pull through the chain and the loop on your hooks. Yan. Repeat the process across the row. We just insert the hook, yarn over, and then pull through the chain on the loop on your hook. This is the slip stitch. So I will repeat the process, insert, and then pull through, insert, grab a yarn over, then pull through the chain and the loop on your hook. So we can create slip stitch. This is a slip stitch. Okay, this is a slip stitch. Okay, we just repeat the process. Repeat the process until you finish the row. Until you finish the row. So be careful because medyo mahimol-muling tong yarn. So choose the right yarn for you to practice crocheting or making a slip stitch. I will just finish this. Okay. Yeah, this is a slip stitch. Oh my god, sorry. Oh, it's hard to control the yarn. Okay, just insert and pull through the loop on your hook. Repeat the process. Now we can finish this row, first row, and then done. You have your slip stitch. So how do we add and increase if we want to increase or add? So just flip it, yarn over, and then chain 1. Then you can do the same thing. You just insert the yarn in the front stitch. Okay, always front stitch. Okay, and then you can create your own slip stitch, second row. But today we will just make a first row of slip stitch. So this is a slip stitch. So congratulations, you can try this. You can try making your own slip stitch. Okay, congratulations, you made or created your or crochet your first slip stitch. Tip. So I have a tip. Slip stitches are flat. Slip stitches are flat and tight, and don't pull too hard, because if you pull too hard, it is hard for you to insert the hook into the loop or pull the hook into the loop. So make a slip stitch not too tight or not too loose, just right to insert. It is right to insert the hook and the yarn into the loop or into the slip stitch that you created. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and in my next video we will try single crochet. Bye bye.